Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we're going to be separating the nannies and putting them in with the buck and put the pygmy over with the other does. But the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this cattle panel and that cattle panel. We'll take those panels and then we'll have to separate the young does that I don't want bred yet because of their age and things. So we're going to put them in a little pen. And we'll put a round bell in with those guys so they're getting plenty of food. And then we're going to put a round bell in where we're going to put the pygmies at because the pen's not real big. But we're going to get those separated if you want to stay with us. And Come up your butt, bud. And kind of scoot them all back. It's all right. Well, guys, I don't know if you could see very much of that, but we're separating them, and we're trying to get all the older does pulled over into this pen, because when we do, we're going to walk through that gate with a bucket of feed and go all the way around in through the gate down on that end, because he's got this all tore up pretty bad right here. But we get those does pulled in over there, and they'll really enjoy it. But we got this one stubborn goat right here that we're trying to get over here with these older, the bigger nannies. Someone over here, Ava, whenever I open this gate up, you just go in there and kind of get behind them, so we're kind of pushing that way. Okay? Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Don't.
Here, open up that pen best way, Ava. Alright, you probably don't need it. Come on, Ethan. Here, come on.
Moscow's not gonna. Boy, if this was like a scratch and sniff over here, he's pretty pungent with his perfume that he's wearing. So for you guys that don't know, goats pee on their beard whenever they're in rut. The bucks do. Hey, go bring him. Come see that feed, Emma. Come on, girls.
Come on! Come on, come on! Let's go! Come on! Where's Alejandro?
He's in
I
there.
think he's gonna breathe the other one. There!
Take the Alejandro. Grab him, hurry. Now take him around. Watch his little tool there, you might get rubbed on. Alright, shut that gate. Hey, can you go around and help Landon hand me one of them feed troughs?
I got it right there.
Okay. Well, guys, he was supposed to keep this PG-13, and I'm gonna have to do a little editing to get that out. But hey, hang on a second. Here you go, Landon.
Here, Ava.
Where's Alejandro at?
Over there.
Is he?
Oh, he's not in there with the
So, guys, we got Moscow in. We got Moscow in here. Yeah, get him. Moscow. Well, he's a little preoccupied at the moment. Where is Alejandro? Oh, there he is. Now let's go straight down this way and we'll cut off Beardio. Baby, you're gonna have to move to get Beardio in there. All right, Landon, cut that way, cut that way. Hey, Landon, no, her. All right. Babe, open the gate.
You told me to move!
Yeah, but I thought you'd open the gate. Okay.
I'm gonna go get the other.
Those two right there are yours, babe.
I
Those
know.
two,
Who's that?
that's the purebred.
Oh, you don't want her in here, do you?
Well, guys, thanks for coming along with us. Landon, I thought he was going to slam the door, but he didn't. Well, guys, thanks for coming along with us. Putting the bucks in with the nannies and getting the hay put out. Tomorrow, what we're going to try to do is we're going to get the old square baler here. We just got a hooked up pin to the trailer. We don't have the PTO or anything hooked up, but we're going to rebale. We're going to be rebaling a couple of round bales. There's some people that want some round bales, or square bales, I'm sorry, and they're fine with them being rebaled. So we're gonna get those rebaled and get them over to them. But like always, guys, thanks for coming along with us. See you on the next one.